how to learn science and math faster. So I'll give you three tips. Number one, if you have to run, let us say 5 kilometers, right? There are two ways of doing it. One is you run at a steady pace and do to 5 kilometers. Second is you run, let us say, for 500 meters like very fast, right? You sprint, and then you kind of walk for some time. Then again sprint, again walk. Now when it comes to study, you can do something similar. You can study for 2 hours at a stretch non-stop, or you can study for 25 minutes and then take a short break, right? But those 25 minutes, you are like, it's like a sprint. You are very, very focused, right? This approach of a sprint and then walk works much better when studying, because studying requires focus. Your mind has to absorb, right? And you can focus for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, but not for 2 hours, not for 3 hours, right? So first recommendation is, whatever time you have, break it into half an hour intervals, and every half an hour you focus for 20-25 minutes, but focus very hard. At that point of time, no WhatsApp, no email, nothing, right? Just focus. 5 minutes you take a break. When you take a break, stop studying, right? Take a deep breath, just relax, or just walk around, and then come back and start another sprint, right? So it should be a sprint, then walk, sprint and walk. That is how you can be more focused. This is number one. Number two, take notes. Notes need not be very elaborate, right? But they should not be copied from the book or from what you study. So like, read or listen, understand, reproduce. Read, again, reproduce. So it should go through your head, and your mind should be able to kind of write what you have understood, not copying from the source. This is point number two. Point number three, in science and math, problem solving is the key. So if you are studying, let us say, physics or maths, do not sit and keep reading stuff. It's basically useless, right? So read something just to get the core concepts. Then after that, do derivations and solve problems. When you get stuck on problems, come back again and read. Again, go back and solve, right? So it should be read, solve problems. Read something, solve problems. This circle is what is going to help you learn more effectively, specifically for science and maths. So recap, number one, sprint and walk, sprint and walk. No 3-hour non-stop sessions. Number two, take notes. And number three, theory and problem solving, mix it up.